Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and earn money on Toloka. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. So Toloka is for earning money by completing simple tasks. And these tasks are really simple, so you can complete them outdoors, on the way to work or school, and of course home as well. So it's a really easy and comfortable way to earn money, and you can withdraw money to PayPal, Payoneer or Skrill. After that, click on the join, and you can create an ID if you click on the create ID icon, or you can see that you can log in with Facebook, Google or Twitter account. I think that with Google account is the easiest way. And now you have to give your phone number. After that, you will receive a code via SMS, and after that you have to create your login code and password. So I've just entered the informations, and now you have to give some more information about yourself, like the date of birth, first name and last name. After this, you have to select your country, then click on the continue, and now you have to enter the languages that you spoke, because you will sometimes have to take a language proficiency test before completing tasks. So I'm just entering all the languages that I know, and then click on the start earning money icon at the bottom of the screen. Then you have to type the symbol shown in the image, then click on the submit, and everything is working. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.